kami ng mga items gaya po ng cycling cup. 100 pesos na lang po yun. Tapos tube mask naman po, 50 pesos. Lahat po ng pabibenta nun, mapupunto po kay Sir Ian kasi alam niyo naman po yung nangyari sa kanya. Pero okay na po siya ngayon, nasa bahay na siya ng papay niya. Tapos lahat po yun, care of po ni Sir Terence sa bike statement. Yun lang po. So, visit po kayo sa tent namin.
Where is your tent located?
Dulo po.
Okay, that bicycle is from one from Lupa Party List. Please support them because sila po ang pagsisisa lang. Pro biker, pro commuter. And thank you so much. And what's your name again? Asia. And you're from? Muntinlupa.
Kapit-bahay mo, Ernel?
Muntinlupa.
Oh, di ba?
Taga-Muntinlupa din ako. Yes. Alright. Thank you so much. Ipabay ka ba?
Hindi pa.
You bought one? Where's the husband? Sorry, take time. Sino sa husband?
Pa-picture the one with me. Jenna, come over here. What is your name? And you are? How long have you been married?
10 years.
10 years, that's wow.
More than 10 years.
That's beautiful. And both of you ride a bicycle?
Kami pa lang. We're getting a bike for her.
Oh, so you're getting a bike for Christmas. How beautiful. So again, palakpakan ng atin po ang ating mag-asawa na bibisikleta.
Taga Muntinlupa pala.
Beautiful. All the way from Muntinlupa City.
Thank you so much.
Okay, next, t-shirt and Arnel and Dal. And we do this for you, for the happiness of cycling. And sana po lahat tayo social enterprise ang gawin. May gawin tayo negosyo, pero po is positive po sa lahat ang benepisyo. So again, maraming salamat po for coming.
Monty, thank you for coming. Bicycle demo. Alright, Monty.
Alright, everybody, thank you so much. Now enjoy your raffle prizes.
And the winner is... We wish you a Merry Christmas. RBL Kiray! Going once, going twice, just like you did.
Meron ba tumatakbo dyan?
A bicycle right there.
There you go.
We will confirm. We want to make sure that it's really
confirm
RBL Kiray. Okay? We have to confirm this one. I am so happy. Monty, aren't you happy na bibigay ka ng bisikleta?
Man, sponsors.
Oh, diba? And the winner is, kindly confirm, RBL, come up here. Kindly take off your mask. Don't worry, hindi na uso ang maskara ngayon. Tapos na ang lockdown. Okay, tell us your name.
Javier Giray,
Where are you from?
Tondo, Manila.
How did you know about the bike demo day?
I've been always a supporter of this event.
Did you know that you win a brand new giant mountain bike?
Nakabahan ako, sir.
Congratulations! Enjoy the bike with your wife. I hope you guys have wonderful times together. Siklista mag-asawa. I love that concept. Alright, boys and girls. Alright, now, magkano yung kanina? 57,000.
59,000 pesos.
Alam niyo pa paano gagawin mo yan? Yung trainer mo, isa-strap mo dyan. Tapos itatayo mo yung bike mo doon. Tapos habang pumapadya ka, pwedeng gumewang yung bike. Looks like she's here. And that's your name. Who are you with? Sino kasama mo?
Siya yung kasama lang
Saan yung asawa mo?
friend siya ng kanina.
Baka din sa stage ang asawa.
Ang galing naman.
Come on, my friend. You gotta celebrate us. It's a wonderful moment. You know, you're so lucky. Your husband's luckier, though. Man, where are you guys from? North Caloocan.